Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete all Facebook page posts. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and first of all, make sure you're logged in with your page. You can go ahead, tap on this arrow icon and switch to your page. Once you're in your page, go to the profile and check out the posts, right? Then here you will find this particular three dot on the post. If you tap on this, then you will be able to tap on move to trash, and then that particular post will be removed from the Facebook and will also be deleted in the trash section. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, tap on this three dot on top right corner of your page, and then you're going to tap on this particular option of activity log. From the section, you're going to go ahead, tap on your Facebook activities, this arrow icon, this downward arrow, and then you're going to tap on manage posts. Here you will find all of the posts. All you have to do is tap on three dot and keep moving them to trash, and you can also hide from the page. And then here in the trash section you will find all of them, and you can go ahead, select all of them and delete them at once, or after 30 days it will be removed automatically. That's what you can do. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.